Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. Now unfortunately I don't have iPhone next to me, so I can't show you how it looks on iPhone. However, you should be able to follow these simple instructions and you should be able to do this on your own. It's pretty simple. So on the tablet you can open the app drawer, and in the Samsung folder you should be able to find Smart Switch. If you go over here, what you need to do is press receive data because we want to transfer from iPhone to the tablet. And once you go over here, you can choose iPhone/iPad. And now we have the option that we can use a compatible Lightning to USB or USB-C to USB-C cable, or an adapter to bring your data. Of course, we can also transfer wirelessly. So we can go over here and then we should see the instructions, what we should do in order to wirelessly transfer data, including photos from your iPhone. There we go. So we will generate the QR code, and we will need to pretty much download the similar app on your iPad or iPhone in this case. And if you press over here, then you will see the instructions. So you need to scan the QR code with your iPhone to download Smart Switch. You can also just open the App Store and search for App Switch and download it, and then you should be able to connect. Now you can also get data from the iCloud, so over here you can enter your Apple ID or the name of Apple account or email address, and then password, and then sign into iCloud, and then follow the instructions in order to get your data from the iCloud. So that's pretty much it. I think the best way to actually transfer the data is either by using the USB-C method or the cable method, or by transferring wirelessly by using the same app. It's actually pretty easy to download the app, of course, from the App Store, and from then you should just follow the instructions which will be visible on the screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!